Today we will see session number 14 in Catia. Introduction to Wireframes and Surface Design. Wireframe and Surface Design (WSD) in Catia is a crucial module for creating complex shapes and surfaces. This module is widely used in automotive, aerospace, and consumers goods industries to design products with intricate surfaces and aesthetic designs. Understanding wireframes toolbar. Wireframe and surface designs in Catia is a crucial module for creating complex shapes and surfaces. First one is a point, second one is a line, and third one is a plane. In point, you can see first one is a coordinate. Point type is the coordinate on core, on plane, on surface, circle, sphere, center, and tangent on core and between. You can see here. Point by coordinate is there. Point on core, point on plane, point on surface, point on at circle, sphere, center, on core, tangent on core, between 2 points, and spacer on a curve. Point by coordinates means create a point by defining its coordinate in 3D. Point on curve means create a point on a curve at a distance from a reference point. Point on a plane is create a point on a plane at a distance from a reference point. On surface, create a point on a surface at a specified distance and the directions from a reference point. Circle, sphere, center, create a point at the center of a circle and sphere. Create a curve tangent point for specified directions for a tangent on a curve. Point between the 2 points creates a point between the two existing points using a ratio value. Point specified on a curve. Second one is a line. You can see here point to point is there, point direction is there, angle normal to curve is there, tangent to curve is there, normal to surface, bisecting, line between two points are there, line from a point and directions are there, line at an angle, normal to curve, line tangent to a curve, line normal to a surface, and bisecting line. Third one is the plane, offset plane, parallel plane, and plane at an angle or normal to a plane, plane through a point, plane through a line. These all are present in a plane. Projection onto a support. Projection means project one or more elements onto a support. The projection can be normal to the surface or along a specified directions. Combined curves are there. Combined curves create a curve resulting from the intersecting of the extrusions of two curves are there. Reflect lines. Reflect lines creates a curve for which the normal to the surface in a point present the same angle with specified directions. They can be closed or open. This is a intersection. Parallel curves are there. This is a corners. This all commands we are seen already in previous chapters. Connect core means draw one core and second core we will get connected by automatically. This is a spline core is there, and this is a helix. Let's say in a Katia. Startly, you can in the starting you just go in a start mechanical design, and after that wireframe and surface design. This tab is opening. In wireframe you can see a point, line, plane, and some splines are there, and helix is there, and here circle is there, and connect course is there. When you are just drawing, we need to sketch firstly. and select XY plane and draw two splines and draw another one. Okay, that exit you can see, and go here where you can see here connect, select point on core, select this one and sketch core. This one is there. You can see here connect core point here and point 2 here. You can see a preview of it. It is connected. This is called as a connect. Here you can see helix, select point and axis. This one is a created. Height of it just increase, and this is a clockwise or anti-clockwise. What is the degree? You can give 10 degree also. You can see shape is changed and again inward or outside. Okay. The Now we will see point, line and plane. When you are just activating the point, you can see here coordinates are there. Coordinate on curve, on plane, on surface, circle, sphere and tangent and curve and between. We will see first one between. You can see here coordinate, cancel, select coordinate between. I'm selecting this one. You can see in between this one and this one. Again select point and select between. You can give this point. This is a point 1 and point 2 is there, and point 1 I need to here. Okay, now you can see line and point to point. I want select this one point 1 and point 2. This line is created. Now you can see in a point on plane is there, on plane and coordinates are there. By using coordinate you can give, I'm just giving as a x value as a 10, y value as a 20 and z value is a 30. Now you can preview, it is a created at 10, 20 and 30. This is called as coordinates on core, on plane, on surface and tangent and between. In line, when you are just activating the line, you can see point to point, first point, second point and again you can select here preview and OK. This is called as line definition, and there is a another one is a offset from plane, parallel parallel through points are there, angles through three points are there, through two lines are there, through point and lines are there, tangent and equations. Now I'm selecting a offset from a plane. I'm selecting XY and giving the offset as a 50. XY plane, you can see this is a created. Again I want another plane, you can give and click on OK. You can see there is a number of planes you can create. Thank you. This session is completed.